In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Affirm to Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find the Affirm app in your Shopify dashboard, install it, and start the onboarding so you can offer pay over time messaging to your customers. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin in a separate browser tab. Once you're in your Shopify dashboard, you'll see the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. This is your control center for everything in your store, and it's where we'll start. From that left-hand menu, look for the option labeled Apps and click on it. The Apps section is where you manage everything you've already installed, and it also gives you access to apps that Shopify recommends for your store. Once you're on the Apps page, find and click on All Recommended Apps. This area shows you curated suggestions based on your store. But what we really want to do is go beyond that and open the full Shopify App Store. On that same screen, there should be a link or button that says Discover More in the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click that. This will open the App Store in a new view, where you can search for any app that integrates with Shopify. At the top of the App Store page, you'll see a search bar. Click into the search bar and type the word Affirm. All lowercase is fine. Press enter or select the search suggestion if it appears. Shopify will now show you apps related to Affirm. In the results, look for the app called Affirm Pay Over Time Messaging. This is the app that helps display Affirm's financing options and messaging on your store, so customers can see they have pay over time choices before they check out. Click on that app to open its details page. On the Affirm app page, you'll see an overview, screenshots, and compatibility information. If you see a note that it's not compatible with your specific store type, you may not be able to use it, but assuming it is compatible, you'll see an install button. Click on install to start adding it to your store. Shopify may ask you to confirm permissions. Once you've confirmed, you'll usually see a second install or approve button. Click on install again to finalize. After that, you'll be taken into the Affirm onboarding flow. Just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Connect or create your Affirm account, review any terms, and configure the messaging settings so it appears on the right pages and products in your store. When you've completed onboarding, Affirm should be linked to your Shopify store,